All right, today's a big day. Got a special surprise. But first, sunny. Let's let these damn wild animals loose. Let them play for a little bit. All right, so the dogs don't listen. That's good. Ducks are out, birds are out. So as you know, we've got a barn. Barn in the middle of a field creates a problem. We have mice. How to get rid of mice? Cats. So there's, oh, here comes Stella, hang on. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweetie pie. Stanley, come. Come on. He's getting fat. Whew, Stanley's a fat boy. Stella's 5 days out from her spade, so she's post-surgery, doing well. This goofy little jacket means she doesn't have to wear the cone of shame. She's almost a year and a half. Stanley is 5 months. Holy crap, is he gonna be big. Stella is on the smaller side for a Great Pyrenees. But she's pretty vicious. She'll lick you to death. All right, so back to the cats. There's a local organization called Alley and Angels, which basically takes cats off the streets. It's a local thing. They spay them, clip their ears so you know they're spayed, and give them to people that have barns that need barn cats. Win-win. I get 2 cats, probably gonna be a little feisty. Good, because these dogs are kind of crazy. They know these dogs are actually scared of the 2 cats we have, so that shouldn't be an issue. But we get 2 cats off the street, they're fixed. They get a loving home with a bunch of stuff to deal with. Chase some mice. So hopefully today we'll be able to document bringing them in, setting them up. So what they do is we'll bring them in, put them in a giant kennel for about a week so they get used to understanding this is their home, and then we let them run loose, and then they can run free in the barn. Boys, how we doing? So the jerks have already been fed this morning. They're not jerks. The ladies plus little Whispers. He's still a boy. This isn't about you, is it, Maxwell? Is this about you? It's always about you, isn't it? You're so close. Case, come here. Come here, Case. Let me love you. Come here. If I had treats in my hand, you'd let me love you. Nope, somebody's pooping. There's little Whispers. He gets cuter by the day. So next week is shear day, shear week. So all of you alpacas are gonna look a lot stranger. Marlo, pregnant, I hope. So there's, let me get sun in my face so I can look really weird. Who made that noise? Oh yeah. Boys will fight. So hopefully this can document it. We got a lot of stuff that's happened. Electricals in the barn, not in, but it's wired. Gotta get inspection. We'll do a whole nother video of that. This video, let's just focus on getting these barn cats here and rescued and get them set up and comfortable. And then hopefully I'll stop adding livestock. All right, let's get to the video. All right, so cats are in there. It's been a little bit. We'll see if they got settled. They're hiding. They're real sketched out. Plus Stella comes in and just goes, "Arr, arr, arr." So she's crazy. We gotta get her accustomed to the new cats. They say the cats are spicy, which if you know us, this is our farm's all about the spicy. So let's go see if we can take a look and see what they're doing. Well, there's one litter box knocked over. What are you doing, sweetie? What are you doing? Hi, sweetie. That one I think is the spiciest of the two. Are you extra spicy? see how good this low light does. I doubt we'll be able to see this one. This one is a gray and white tuxedo that you can barely see. So, how are we doing? Let me see if this one will scratch at me. Hey, sweetie. How are you doing, sweetie? Hey, sweetie. You okay? I know, it's sketchy. It's sketchy right now. It'll be okay, though. Alright, I don't want to upset them too much on their first day, so... They're here. We'll see how they do. Whew, I'm making a lot of videos. I gotta stop this. I'm too old for this crap. Alright, stay safe out there.